Hey, thanks for visiting my channel. If you're facing high ping, lag, or latency issues in Roblox, especially on Singapore servers, this video will help you fix it quickly. One of the main reasons for this problem is the routing used by some internet providers, especially Singtel connections. A simple solution is to use Cloudflare WARP. First, visit the official Cloudflare WARP website and download the version that matches your Windows system. Before installing it, make sure to disable or uninstall any other VPN software on your PC. Once Cloudflare WARP is installed, launch the application. You can find its icon in the system tray near the clock. Click the icon and press the Connect button. Wait a few seconds until it shows connected. Now, close Roblox completely and launch it again. In most cases, this will reduce ping and fix lag issues on Singapore servers. That's it for today's video. If this guide helped you, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Roblox fixes and PC troubleshooting videos. Thank you for watching.
Gave him a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take